This one, whoa, that's a big one. This one. Now guys, over here is another sensor. It needs to come off. Oops. A bolt, and then let's see, over here, underneath there, and then out of the way over here. The filler plug back in. Oh. So. Boop. Right on. Put one over there. Over there. Yes. Up. Okay. That's tight. Now guys, I am already far with dismantling all the bits and bobs from the engine. But I got the oil out the ruined engine, the damaged engine. And now come on over and we have a look what was in the oil. Now, this and this. Another piece. Wait a minute. Oh, there's a klembandje. This one, whoa, that's a big one. This one. This one. Nee, dat is een boorkrul. En this one. Oh, hier. Oh, een klembandje. This one. These are the biggest. And then of course a zillion smaller pieces. Here. Wait a minute. Thought I got it. This. See? This is. I'm not sure where this is from. I think the piston. Yeah. It's all piston parts. Shavings. Yeah. Now guys, the next thing we're gonna do is get this plastic cap off. First, I take this whole thing out. Sensor, Torx 30. Okay. Yes. Then this one. Come. Up, up, up. Yes. Oil gets out, so something like this. Up. Clean this one. And this one needs to come off here. And over here. Yes. And then and out of the way. Then there is a torque over here, which was very loose. Okay. Hop. Yes. On the other side, we're gonna do the same. There he comes. Yep. Let's see. Okay. This one. I'm gonna take that hose out. Oop. Come. Yes. Okay, guys. And we have this one out of the way too. Then take this one out of the way too. Yes, there he goes. Okay. And we've got him, ladies and gentlemen. The next thing I'm gonna do is put some penetrating oil on the exhaust bolts to be sure, not sure, hopefully sure, take it out. But yes, oh, guys, wasn't that difficult? Yes. Okay, guys, we need loosen these two cables. Guys, but no. Back as possible. Okay, and then remove this one. And on the other side. So this one. Yes, and then we need to get this cable out of the way. Okay, then over here is brother. Oh, yes. See, we got him out. I'm gonna leave it over there. Now we're gonna peel the exhaust further away. This again out of the way, guys. I like to have a clean spot to work. Guys, the next thing we have to do is, over here is a bolt tool for this exhaust collector. It's on two sides. It's over here and it's over there. The damper off first. Let's do that. We're gonna remove that bolt, and that's it's 45. Yes. Okay. Yes, guys, over here on the inside is the clamp. So, and the clamp is also 45. Yes, it feels loose. Okay, this one. Comes carefully, wiggle it a bit. There it goes. Yes. Hoppa. And ladies and gentlemen, we have it out of the way. I'm gonna get it into a towel because I don't want to get this thing scratched in the process. You never know, eh? So, hop, hop, hop. See? Nicely packed. Okay, now let's move on. Somewhere over here, yes, and then this one. Okay. Oh, that's wrong side, guys. This one. Yes. Here we got it. Okay, now we're gonna do the same on the other side. Is that easy? Oh, of course. Oh, this one is very reachable, guys. Perfect. I'm gonna use this one. If you want one of these, look in the description, guys. I absolutely love it. Yep. So, and then just it tiny bit. So. Now guys, we're gonna loosen the exhaust. Hopefully it's not that tight, I don't think. Okay. Oh, guys, practically loose. I've seen it worst. Whoa. Okay. Wah, help. I need somebody help. Okay, this one. So, guys, this is very easy. Okay. Oh. Now, let's count them. I think I'm gonna lower that one, and then I think we can take it off very easy. To the other side. See? guys, I have to loosen this too. Oh, other side, hot mechanic. Yes. Okay. Put it a bit up. Get this thing out of the way because we have to move the exhaust to the front. Now on the other side we're gonna do the same. Very easy because okay, well, okay, now we'll move it okay to the front side. Yes, there we got it. Lower and lower. Okay. Yes. There he is. So. Yes, we got it off. We need to get these out of the way. Okay. Holy shit, guys. That is. Whoa. Let's move on.